Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we starting with one, so you guys are just beginners. You just starting, you want to see if this works first before you start doing all of that. You know what I mean? So anyway guys, I just want to show you the results of me doing this, and I'm thinking you guys can do it too. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business. It's because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month. Sales are much more valuable when you promote a system like this. It's very easy to make money once you get people in the system. Alright, so now that I've said that and stuff, let's look at my results so far. We're going to refresh the page here. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Let's not worry about it. It's not a big deal. Okay. So this is what we're going to do, guys. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do here. First off, you need to get your affiliate link. You need your link here. So I'm gonna show you how to do that exactly. All right, guys. So first and foremost, we're gonna go to this page here. Let me go to my page real quick. Give me a sec. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna go to you're gonna go to my page here, which is gonna take you to my description. You go down to my description here, you're gonna see step 1 and step 2. Now you want to click on step 1 for right now to get your affiliate link. That's gonna take you to this page here, which slowly explains what the all-in-one $25 business is. Tells you how much money you can make, instant 20 to 100 monthly commissions in a little 24 hours, all that good stuff, right? So what you want to do is say yes, I want in. You click on that. You put in all your information here to get the $25 business here. You make sure you click on this. This is the $100 commission here. It's traffic, and the $25 business is a funnel builder, by the way. But yeah, this is the $100 commission here. You have to own the product to get commissions from the product. So I recommend you click this for the first 14 days free. So if you get a sale within the 14 days, even though you haven't paid the $125, you'll still get that sale. So that's what that's for. Help you guys out, get started real quick. And all you need is really one sale, and then you can keep this on. You're making money. So that's all it takes, guys. That's all it really is. You put in your information, blah blah blah. Then it's gonna eventually take you to a page, a little something like this. Don't worry about the bottom down here. Something like this. All right, guys. You might have to you'll have to make your account and log in. Very simple, very simple process. Videos explaining it all. You just go to the affiliate zone here. You click on the affiliate zone. That's what you want to go to. And first you want to set up. You want to sign up for the affiliate program here. You just sign up, put in your information, very basic information. Boom. And then you log into your SAM card. It's going to take you to this page here where all of your links are, guys. Now, this is the link that I personally use, guys. All-in-one $25 business sales letter. That's the one that I use personally. That's the one that's been working for me. As you can see, you got 65 sales on there. I've been getting sales. I got a sale from here as well. So yeah, you can get sales. It promotes the once they in the system, the system promotes all of these in one way or another. So so it doesn't really matter. You start getting sales all over the place. I've been only promoting using this though. But anyway, guys, you got your link, right? So the next step is to go to step 2 here, which is join My Lead Gen Secrets. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page here where this guy explains what My Lead Gen Secrets is. But ultimately, all that it is, you get 100 leads that you can email every single day. All right, guys. So day 1, you got 100 leads. Day 2, you got 200 leads you can email, so on and so forth, like that. You can do it once per day. All right. So we're going to log in. We're going to do exactly that. All right. Gonna do exactly that. So we're gonna go over to the mailing system here. Now you can check out your leads and stuff if you want to. You can buy some email swipes if you want to. So I'm gonna show you a swipe. I'm gonna let you be able to copy it. You just pause the video and copy it if you wish. You can use your own swipes too as well. It's not a big deal. Whatever you want to do. All right, so we're gonna go to my next email here. Where is it? Right here. Gonna go with that one. Second week better than first. So you copy that video, copy that subject right there. You copy that, and I'm just gonna copy all of this. Blah 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 blah. Hold on, let me give you a chance to copy the whole thing here. Just pause the video, copy. Pause the video, copy. Pause the video, copy. And that's it. That's the whole email there. Now picture link right here, guys, and we're gonna hit perfect timing. And what that does, send an email around time people check emails. All right, guys, and we're just gonna send the email. It's gonna be real dope. And make sure you preview. Make sure your link works, and you just send the email. Boom. So that's all it takes, guys. Very simple, very easy process. Like I stated before, you don't really need to do much. Very lazy way to make money online. It's working for me, guys. It can work for you. As I've been showing you proof that it's working for me. I made around over $5,000 just doing this simple method, guys. That's all it takes. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.